Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking or powering off the Apple Watch and make sure passcode is disabled so buttons won't trigger. You should remove the band now to expose lugs and case edges. Once done, place the watch face down on a soft cloth and gather tools, a plastic opening pick, a small P2 screwdriver, and a non-marring spudger. This setup reduces scratches and keeps screws visible, so you can focus on safe case access without rushing. You now remove any visible screws first, using the correct driver and a magnetic pad or labeled container to avoid losing them. Once screws are out, insert a plastic pick along the seam and pry gently. You want to separate clips, not snap them. After the back lifts, make sure to locate the battery connector and use a non-metal spudger to disconnect it before touching other components. This prevents shorts and makes the rest of the disassembly safer and more controlled. You finish by cleaning the gasket and mating surfaces, replacing adhesive or gaskets if they're damaged to maintain water resistance. Then reconnect the battery connector carefully. Align the back plate and press evenly while replacing screws in a crisscross pattern to avoid warping. Once assembled, power the watch on and test touchscreen, heart rate, and speaker to confirm function. If sealedness fails or it won't power, try reseating the connector first. If problems persist, consult a repair shop for pressure testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.